Very fine, good morning. Today we'll see about PAN stack. So Postgres, Express, React, as well as Node.js. So initially we'll open Chrome IDE. Then in the address bar, we'll type www.k7cloud.in. So in that website, the complete VM is available. Inside that, we are installing already installed Node.js, then the IDE Visual Code. Then in addition to that, the Postgres, then the IDE DB viewer. So everything which will be installed in a single VM. So you can click on the menu e-training, then you can click on PAN stack. So here there is a file which will be called as click here to download VM. So click that link, then which will go to K7 Cloud Ubuntu. So inside Ubuntu OS, the entire required software, the prerequisite software was installed in that VM. So you can click download. So download anyway. So the file was downloaded in the name K7 Cloud Ubuntu. So already it was downloaded, so I will cancel. So here the file is available, which will be named as K7 Cloud Ubuntu. So just double click on that file. So you can click on finish, then automatically which will be imported into the Oracle VirtualBox. So prerequisite is Oracle VirtualBox. So in your machine, if Oracle VirtualBox is not available, you can install that VirtualBox, then you can import that file. So currently already the file was imported in the name K7 Cloud Ubuntu. Just double click on that file. So the OVA file or the VM which comprising of the entire Ubuntu operating system, in addition to that, the required software like Node.js, then the IDE Visual Code, then Postgres, then the IDE DB viewer. Then in addition to that, for testing the API, there is a tool which will be called as Postman. So all those 5 tools are properly configured inside that VM. So now the Ubuntu operating system which will be loading inside Oracle VirtualBox, which need minimum 4 GB of RAM. So the username and passwords are same. So you can type K7 Cloud, then press enter. I can click on that view menu and switch to full screen mode. Now the entire thing was ready. Now the VM was ready. So in the initial stage, I will open a terminal. In the left hand side, whatever needed for our PAN project, full stack project, the entire thing was configured properly. So you can click on terminal. So initially you can type pwd. So it will display the current directory. So the current directory is /home/K7 Cloud. I will create a new directory. So mkdir. The name of the new directory was my projects. So now I am entering into the directory. So cd my projects. So now the current directory pwd, the current directory was home K7 Cloud. Inside that my projects. So inside my project, I will create 2 folders, one for server side API creation, another one for client side React creation. So initially I will create a folder for server side. So mkdir server. We choose to create a server side folder. Now I can enter into that folder. So cd server. Yes. Now the entire thing was configured. So my project inside that server. So I can initialize the project. So npm init-y. So yes. So npm init. So initialization of Express project. So as entire thing was initialized. Now I will type whatever packages needed for this project that was installed. So npm install. So there are 3 packages needed for this project. The first one which is called as Postgres, so PG. The second package which is called as Express. So Express. The third package which is called as cross or Jinma. So these 3 packages are needed. So npm install PG, Express and cars. Then press enter. So whatever packages are required, that package is installed in that machine. Yes, the installation was completed. Now I will type code space dot. So the folder which will be open in Visual Code IDE. So press enter. Visual Code IDE which will be automatically open. The entire thing was ready. Yes. Now the IDE was open. Automatically create a folder server. Inside that node module, package.json, I will open package.json. Whatever package I have installed, that package was configured. PG, the recent version of PG was 8. Express, the recent version of Express was 4. Cars, the recent version of Cars was 2.8. So configure. Now I will create a new file. So click here to create new file. So name of the file was index.js. Yes. Now the new file was created. Inside that I will create the variable constant express, which is equal to require express. So constant express equal to require express. So express was ready. Now you can process that express. So constant app equal to call the express. So express app. Now the entire thing was ready. If needed, you can configure cars too. So constant cars equal require of cars. So these 3 lines are mandatory for creating a new app. Now the 3 things was fine. Now you can use that cars inside your app. So app dot use cars. Similar way you can use app dot use, because express always follows JSON format. So you can follow express dot JSON of. Then now the 2 things are ready. Now the entire things works fine. Now you can start your application. So app dot listen. Then inside that you can type whatever port the app was executed. So I can type 3000 for app execution folder. Yes. Now press enter. Now the app was ready. App was start app.listen, which was started in the port 3000. For viewing the result, I can open a function. I can place tends to, open the curly brace. Inside that, I will print a message console.log. I can print the message inside double quotes. I can print the message server started in the port 3000. I have saved the file. Then now entire thing was ready. I will press enter. I will align it properly. Okay. Now I will save the file. Now I will open a new terminal for execution. Open a new terminal. So I will type a command no index. So it's a command which used to execute this project. So press enter. Yes, server is started on port 3000. So spelling mistake, I will change it. Port 3000. Yes. Now I will open a browser. I will open a browser window, Firefox. Already it's configured in the left canvas. So in the top, I will type local host : my port number is 3000. I will press enter. Yes, cannot get. So I won't write any get function, but the function is ready. It's running. Now I will save the file. I will stop this process because each and every time node.index, it's very tough. So I will stop that process. Control is set. Then I will install another package npm I node monitoring MON. Enter. So node monitoring is a package. Whatever you can changes in your code, it automatically reflects. So fine. Now I will type the code. Now I will create a new function app.get. The name of the function as /hello, comma. I will print that method. inside that, I will open a curly brace. I will press enter. Same thing. So inside that method, which has two parameters, one is request, the second parameter is response. So here I will type try catch. So try, then catch. Try catch block. Normal try catch block. Inside that error. If error occur, which will be catched. Inside that I will type console.log error.message. It's a common format. Okay. I will save the file. Now I will type a message, that is I will respond to that server. So res.send of, inside double quotes I will type hello val. So now I will save the file. Now I will save the file. I will start the file using node mon index. I think node monitoring was not installed. So I will install it globally. So npm I node monitoring -g. Now the package was installed. I will clear everything. Yes. clear is a command which choose to clear everything. Now I will type node monitoring, then execute the file index. Yes. I already port number 3000 was locked. So I will change it into 3001. Server is started in the port 3000 because message was printed like this. So I will change it into here. Now I will say server is started in the port number 3001. So whatever you have changed in the code, which will be reflected here. So server is started 3001. Now I will press Control S, automatically it will be reflected. Control S. Yes. So entire things works fine. Now I will go to my browser window. Localhost :3000 / my file named as hello. Enter. /hello. I think there is a forward slash. Yes. Now I will change it here. Sorry, port number is changed. 3001. Currently it will be changed to 3002. So I will press enter. Slash is correct, I think. Sorry. Now it will print the message hello world. That's fine. So I have already changed the port number, but here I have missed the save. Currently localhost :3002 hello. So it's a simple example for printing hello in Express. Then later we will see the complete CRUD operation. So create, insert, update, then delete. Then in addition to that, get by ID and get by app. So this is a small intro for creating simple hello world application inside that Ubuntu VM. So thank you all. Thanks for watching.